Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes using milk. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl until they are well combined. This step is crucial for light and fluffy pancakes, ensuring everything is evenly distributed. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Once combined, pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are fine. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough pancakes, and we want them tender. Now it's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know they are ready to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them carefully and cook until golden brown. Your delicious homemade pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings, whether that's maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. They're perfect for a cozy breakfast or a special brunch. For more great tips and deals, including a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.